Pixel Buds Pro Review. Inspecting the features. Google launched the Pixel Buds Pro on July 28, 2022, just a year after the A series. These aren't your typical earbuds. They're packed with features for convenience and premium sound. This Pixel Buds Pro review provides a comprehensive insight into the premium wireless earbuds features and performance. Design and build. The Pixel Buds Pro sport a sleek, minimalist design with a comfortable fit. They come with 3 silicone ear tip sizes, lacking wingtip stabilizers. Both Pro and A series have an IPX4 rating. Only the Pro includes an IPX2 water-resistant charging case. Performance and features. The buds feature active noise cancellation and a transparency mode. They offer easy reconfiguration of tap and hold functions via the Android exclusive app. Multi-point connectivity and spatial audio enhance productivity. Impressive battery life. They provide 7 hours of playback with ANC and 11 hours without. The case offers an extra 13 or 20 hours of playback. Fast charging gives an hour of playtime in 5 minutes. The Pixel Buds Pro offers style, functionality, and audio quality. Despite minor drawbacks, they're a strong choice for premium earbuds. Whether you're an Android user or seeking top-tier wireless earbuds, the Pixel Buds Pro deserve consideration. The Pixel Buds Pro are available in 4 colors with a price of $199.99.